film that, Dad. Film it.
Hi, how to do a screen shake effect with Sony Vegas Pro. So here I've got a short clip. Now I just want to, I'll just play it back first. So I want at this point, just before the noise starts again with the hairdryer, I just want to shake it as much as possible. So what I'm going to do, if I right mouse, split. So now this is the sub clip that I want to work with. Now I click on event, pan crop, or you can right mouse on it and select. Make sure you right mouse on the video track and select video event, pan and crop. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do keyframes for each little bit of shake. So I'm going to move this on just one amount. This is in fractions of a second because the clips are only 2 seconds long. So I'm just going to move it on a fraction. I'm going to left mouse on the pulse on the middle of the screen and drag it up like that. I'm going to move it on one again and do the same at the other side. If you can look on the main screen, you can see that there's border going round. This is exactly what I want. I'm going to move it on along again and go to the next. Make sure these two are pushed down, and then do it again for the next one. So that's a full circle now. So what I do now is go on the first one, I'll hold down shift, press the left mouse on the last one so it's highlighted all four, then the right mouse, copy, and then move on to the next section, right mouse, paste, or next section, right mouse, paste, do the same again. I'm just going to go to about there. That's enough. So now I'm going to play it back. There we go. And that's your screen shake. Give it a try.